Magandang buhay! A licensed professional teacher. Adorable Pants. Our Tita Mom Bell. So guys, kanina nag-spelling kami ni Tita Mami. I got 39 out of 50 items. So guys, mula dito pipili ako ng numbers at spell ko kay Mom Bell. Let's go! Come on! Tara!
Okay, pili ka na ng number.
Number 30.
30. Okay, number 30 is necklace.
Necklace. Necklace. Necklace.
Can you repeat the spelling of necklace?
Necklace. Necklace.
Okay,
Necklace.
that's correct. Another number.
21.
21. C.
C. S-E-A. C.
Okay, another number.
31.
31. 29, 30, 31. Okay, number 31 is load.
Load. L-O-A-D.
Oh,
Load.
okay, very good. Another number.
Number 1.
Number 1, libro.
Libro. L-I-B-R-O. Libro.
Okay, mahusay. Another number.
22.
22. Flag.
Flag. F-L-A-G. Flag.
Okay, very good. Another number.
10.
10. Lampara.
Lampara. L-A-M-P-A-R-A. Lampara.
Okay, mahusay. Another number.
Pass. Pass.
Pass.
Guys, that's all for today. Ayos lang magkamali. Doon tayo natututo.
Remember, Matthew 19:26. With God, all things are possible. Bye-bye!
Bye!